Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to Redesign 16. So this is where I post about beauty, fashion, lifestyle every single week. Before we get started on this simple natural eye look with a lip gloss, please like this video and please hit the subscribe button. So let's jump right into it. So I'm back with the end result, and I wanted to do an eyeshadow look for you guys that was natural, and I put on the new lip gloss to me Fiesta. So what I did was I took Candlelight Shadow Sense. If you don't know what Shadow Sense is a cream base that turns to powder eyeshadow after 60 to 90 seconds. You have 60 to 90 seconds to apply it before it sets and stays into place. You can use it for eyeshadow, you can use it for concealer, contour, and it's hydrating, smudge proof, waterproof, crease proof, and it lasts all day. It's layerable and buildable. I will put a link down below so that you can shop this look. What I did was I put Candlelight as my base all over. Then I put, I think it's terracotta. It's like a brownish, like mustard, color. It's not yellow, but it has like a yellow tint to it, brownish yellow. And then I put that all over it, and then I put clove in the outer corner, and then all over my eye, because I thought it looked weird. And then I put Sandstone Pearl over top of the clove, and that's all I did. Very simple and easy. This could be a get ready with me look, but I just wanted to do an eyeshadow look because I am getting ready for the day just to clean my house. So yeah, that's all I'm doing today. So please like this video. Please hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so that you will be notified every time I post a new video. First come, first serve. Thanks for watching.